Okay guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make hot cocoa without using the microwave. So here's what you will need. You will need this with a spoon. Then you'll be, first we use it, you have to rinse out the cup. Okay, let me go on there for a sec. Okay. And here, the next, you need to fill the key cup, which is a mug. This is full. I'm going to get the cup I used to make it. I'm going to rinse it out too. I'm going to rinse it out too. Pour out the water. It's not liquid, it's not a good. Then next, pour out the water. You need to replace the water with fresh hot water, as so. This, I'll take the water and pour it in this cup. I'll take the mug over here. Next, you need to set the cup here, get the cocoa mix, put how many scoops you wish. Put how many scoops you wish to it to have. Mine has to be super strong. And let me go get the spoon up fast. You hurry up before it dries. You can cool down on it dries. You mix it. Okay, the next, take out the spoon, put it. The next, we're now done. I'm sorry I'm drinking that in front of you, y'all. Butterball, come on, Butterball. Come on, Butterball. Butterball. Oh yeah, and here's our dog, Butterball. Okay, y'all. Bye. See you in the next cocoa tutorial. Bye.